everyone, this is She Soaps Co. first video. Today we're going to be showing you how to make soap dough creations like these. We're going to make a gnome today, what you have are soap dough colors, and sometimes you can even get soap bars like these.
So one thing that will come in the kit is soap dough and some tools that are kid friendly, like this knife, it's not sharp, and some paint brushes, and a little toothpick. Okay, start, you'll need 4 colors of soap dough. So pick your 4 colors. You can try 3 or maybe 2, probably not 1.
I have white and black, and I want to do 3 colors because I want to mix all the 3 colors together and then make it for the hat.
Okay, so I'm going to be trying 2 colors.
And just so you know,
be trying 4. She'll be trying 4, so we'll be showing you how it will be to have 2 and 4 colors. You can't really do, I'm trying to so you can see, and 1 is not the best, and 3 is good, you can use 3 if 2 and 4 works probably. So let's get started. So what you'll need is to take the color you want for the body, and you'll just kind of take a pretty good amount. So you'll try to kind of just shape, like kind of knead it. And it kind of depends what size body you want, but if you want a very big gnome, you'll probably need a big amount. But if you just want a small little gnome like that, yeah, you'll need as much as we're having right now.
I just wanted to say that all these things are customizable with the body parts. You don't have to have a perfect size nose. You can have a gigantic nose and a tiny hat, a gigantic body, and a really well, actually the beard you
will need to have the same size as the body
if you want it to look
okay. So how to make the body is you're going to roll it into a circle shape, a little ball.
Okay, what do you do?
And then you're going to take the top and try to like kind of pinch it up a little bit like that.
As you can see, we don't have the same size of the body, but it's still gonna look the same. So you don't have to.
And then you're going to take your 2 fingers and just kind of push it down a little bit more.
Should it be triangle or heart or circle?
It's supposed to be kind of like a mixture of both, I guess. It's kind of like a pyramid, but the top is not too pointy. So it's supposed to have like a kind of circle at the bottom, and it's like that.
Amazing!
So this is what it's kind of supposed to look like.
Yours is a little too big.
Yeah, so see that? This is how it's kind of.
It's everything can be fixed. That's all.
Okay, and then you're going to be taking the next color you want.
I'm gonna do blue. And with the beard, what you want to do is take a little bit. You don't have to put like a gigantic amount of beard, but mine is pretty big. It's bigger than hers.
So like that, maybe a little bit more.
What you want to do, take a circle. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you want to flatten it out, and then you just shape it on the body. But why I didn't add water to the thing yet is because I want to see how it's supposed to look before I glue it on. Because the water is literally like super glue
for the soap. So it's how you're supposed to stick on like the nose, the hat, and the beard. So you're going to kind of make like how your body shape is like that. Like that.
It's gonna
see how it fits on your gnome.
It's probably gonna crumble just a little bit, but then you can shape it right back. At least you know the size. And then what you're gonna do, your water, not too much, that's why I'm going like backwards, dipping it like that. Then what you wanna do is make sure your gnome isn't like falling almost, but that. What you're gonna do is just stroke your soap. So when you're doing this, just get you a closer look. You want it to look glossy, but don't make it start like dripping down. Like you don't want it to drip. But then what you do, take your thing, just like that, your body, your gnome, and then just stick it on like normal. But when you're doing this, you're gonna have to look. But like when you're doing it, you might want to zoom in, honestly. You want to really get into the crevices because you don't want it to be like a whole big one where someone's mowing their lawn. But then you just take the water. I like to do this at least. To seal it in general, take your water, not dripping, like that.
Just a little
on the
bit.
bottom, and then rub it in almost.
So this is how mine is looking.
We'll put it on this stand.
And I'm going to be doing the same thing as her, as taking some and putting it around the beard.
It looks kind of like a dragon fruit if it was pink, like the.
Okay, like that.
Should have some pink to it, maybe.
Yeah. Okay, so now you're going to be taking the next color you want. So my sister gave me an idea of making a dragon fruit one, but I kind of messed up because there's black and green. But so I'm going to be taking a little bit of pink. It's for my third color. I was going to use 2 actually because I don't think that will work out for the nose and the hat. So I'm going to take a little bit, circle. And then you're going to take your toothpick. If you would like, you can kind of make a little area like this. You take it and you kind of make a little circle around like that. And kind of take some of the soap dough out like that. And then you're going to fit your nose on and see how it looks. So this is how you kind of have to put it. How to take it out, kind of. And then you're going to see how your nose will fit on it. So this is how my nose is fitting. I'm putting it a little bit too high, so I'm going to bring it down like that.
It just depends on your style of how you want it. It's not all the same, you know. So everyone has their different ways of wanting their gnome to look. Hers is more up, and mine is more centered down.
And how you're going to stick it is pretty much the same way. With the beard, add some water. Just stick the nose on like that, like that. Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a hat. So what you're gonna do, so I'm thinking green. Mine is really colorful. Yours is more modern, more,
I'm not sure
normal.
what color I should do.
But you can do green. But she's doing 4 colors too.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard if you have 3 because you still have the hat, the nose.
So here's what you gotta do. So take a pretty good size. I want my hat to be large. Like look at that, that's real big. So I want mine to be like really big, twisty and turny, so it's gonna look really cool. But you can just make it like that. Make your circle, pinch the sides, make sure when you're doing the hat, if you want it to be abstract and cool, you want to take it like a long piece on it, but make sure it's thicker on that part. Do a little twist moment. Oh yeah, that's cool. Like look at that. Then you take a little like hole in the middle, and then just like that, got your hat. So what you're gonna do, I like to do, is just make some detailing like that to make it stick better. Take it on your hat, stick it on, just like that. Then you've got a little hat, all right? Until she's done with her hat, I'm gonna show you how to make a pom-pom on your hat, which I really love making pom-poms for my hats. Let's do white. Actually, that's simple. Let's do orange. Why not? Actually, no, red. So then what you're gonna do, toothpick. I put water on it just so it doesn't stick on the thing. I'm gonna try to go real fast so you don't have to watch me poke soap. So
This is how.
I got my pom-pom done. That's really good. And you're just gonna stick it under that bowl. See how foamy it gets? She's soap are so foamy. It's like a face wash almost. So once you're done with that, done?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do some detailing, and that's gonna be end for it. Thanks for sticking around.
Okay, so you're going to be taking your toothpick, and for the beard, you're going to be making little lines.
Or you can use your knife and go like,
So you're just kind of gonna make lines, just like small little lines like that, all around the beard. Not on the body. So you're just gonna take the toothpick and just make it go down. Like that. That's kind of how it's supposed to be. And you can make little swirls or lines on your hat, but I think I'm gonna keep it like that. So this is how my gnome is looking.
and here is mine. That's the end of this video. This is how, oh, sorry, there's not enough room. But here is how Rania's gnome looks, which is her. And here is how my gnome looks.
Amazing! And
Thank you for watching, guys.
bye, thank you for watching.